Hello from Tennessee. This is my first video that I'm doing while we're on our Southern Loop trip. We're doing Nashville, Memphis, New Orleans, Birmingham, Asheville, and a whole bunch of nature and surrounding areas while we travel. So I wanted to do a quick video this week simply because we're kind of setting into our new life and we're busy bees. But I thought the perfect thing to share with you this week is something that's very important to me, which is thyroid health. So most of y'all know my journey, that hypothyroidism was a thing I suffered with for years. And I still, even though I feel amazing, and the essential oils and the crystals that I used to help heal my thyroid sent me on this whole journey that became creating Lula Design and Ivy+light. But from that, I still take very good care of my thyroid, and I'm very aware of how important my thyroid health is to continuing to really enjoy life to its fullest. So I generally take every day, I use Endoflex from Young Living, which is a blend of essential oils that is fantastic for all of your hormones, for hormone balance in general. And I take that every day, and by take I mean I rub it on my neck, right around my thyroid, since that's my hormone secretor of most importance to me. And I placed my Essential Rewards order a little bit late in April and totally forgot that we would be leaving at the beginning of May. And so it arrived a couple of days after we left, which is totally fine because I came up with another solution. I was out of Endoflex, but I thought, well, okay, I've got all these essential oils. Surely I can create my own blend, particularly for thyroid, because the Endoflex is for a broad range of the endocrine system, so all of your hormone secretors. So I wanted to share with you this little thyroid blend that I made for myself and what oils are in there, and therefore you could make your own thyroid support at home. Now, I have struggled in the past, like I said, with hypothyroidism, which is a low functioning thyroid. If you have hyperthyroidism, which is a over functioning thyroid, secreting too much of the hormone, then some of these may still apply to you, but others may not. So just go ahead and search hyperthyroidism and essential oils if that's what you're wanting to support, because I don't want you to think that this is a one size fits all. But if you have a low functioning thyroid or Hashimoto's, then these could be great support oils for you. So what's in here? First is spearmint. So I just did about 20 of each oil, and that filled the bottle up, I would say about 2/3 full, which is fantastic. So that should be enough for my trip for sure. So the first one is spearmint, and then cedarwood, lemongrass, copaiba, clove, and lavender. For those who have an iffy thyroid, some of the things that can affect you are stress, adrenal dysfunction, and poor digestion. All of those kind of go together and are kind of like a vicious cycle. So if you have thyroid issues, you can tend to get stressed more easily. You can tend to have adrenal fatigue, and you can tend to have slow digestion. But also those things in and of themselves can lead to a thyroid condition. So these oils, let's say especially lemongrass and lavender, are incredibly calming. Spearmint is fantastic for your metabolism, which is your thyroid's job, essentially, is to start your metabolism and keep it going. And then cedarwood and copaiba are very great for hormone balance, but they are also excellent anti-inflammatory oils, which any sort of hormone thing that you're dealing with, inflammation is something that you do not want. Any sort of digestive problems that you have, solving the inflammation will help with all of that stuff. So cedarwood and copaiba for that, and then clove, which is a warming oil. Now, if you have a thyroid issue, you will know that you tend to stay cold, be cold, stay cold, right? And so the clove oil is a warming oil, also fantastic for metabolism and digestion. So those are the oils. I'll say them one more time for you: spearmint, cedarwood, lemongrass, copaiba, clove, and lavender. And then you too can put equal parts of that into a bottle, support your thyroid. If you haven't tried Endoflex, I highly recommend that as well. But if you've got some of these oils at home and you have some thyroid issues and you want to just see if essential oils will help you, then fantastic. Mix those together, let them sit in the jar for 24 hours, and then the molecules will actually combine so that you're always getting the same amount of each oil, so you're getting a combination each time. So that's my tip for today. I hope that that helps you. Leave me a comment below if there are other essential oils that have been helpful for your thyroid, or if you have any other questions about natural thyroid support. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, do all of those good things, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.